Hi and welcome to this hybrid workplace overview from Maverick AV Solutions. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the Microsoft Surface Hub 2S, Microsoft's own all-in-one group collaboration device. The Microsoft Surface Hub 2S runs Microsoft Whiteboard, but can also be used to set up a Microsoft Teams rooms and runs on its own unique Windows 10 Team OS. This enables the device to run both Microsoft applications as well as third-party applications. You can access your OneDrive files, easily start a Teams call, collaborate in Microsoft Whiteboard, or share your screen wirelessly via the built-in Miracast application. Push your group collaboration to the next level by using this stunning 50-inch 4K Plus with a unique Surface 2:3 aspect ratio interactive display. The device exists in two sizes. You either have the 50-inch as you can see here or the 85-inch. If you want to know more about this device or have a hands-on session, please reach out to me and we can set up a demo at our Experience Center in Ternat and go a little bit deeper in what this solution can provide for your organization or your end customers.